Welcome to this video on functional nutrition, where we explore why your bedtime might matter even more than your diet for optimal health. While many people focus on organic food, supplements, and smoothies for health, in functional nutrition, we ask a deeper question: what time are you going to bed? If your bedtime is inconsistent, your hormones, metabolism, gut health, and immune system can become out of sync. This video will explore why your bedtime is one of the most powerful health tools you might be overlooking. Functional nutrition differs from conventional approaches by asking why the body is out of balance, rather than just treating a disease. We view the body as an interconnected system where every part influences the others. This interconnectedness means your food affects your hormones, your gut affects your brain, and your stress affects your immune system. One of the biggest regulators of all these systems is something often overlooked: your sleep timing. It is not just about how long you sleep, but when you sleep. Your body has an internal clock. Your body operates on a circadian rhythm, your internal 24-hour biological clock. This internal clock dictates critical functions like releasing hormones, digesting food, repairing cells, detoxing the brain, and regulating metabolism. When your sleep schedule aligns with this rhythm, your body functions efficiently. However, if your bedtime becomes late or inconsistent, that rhythm becomes disrupted, and that's when health problems can start to appear. Bedtime controls hormones. Several critical hormones depend on proper sleep timing, one of which is melatonin. Melatonin is often called the sleep hormone, but it does much more than help you fall asleep. It is also a powerful antioxidant that supports immune health and protects cells from damage. Another important hormone released during sleep is growth hormone. Despite the name, it's not just for children. In adults, growth hormone helps with tissue repair, muscle recovery, fat metabolism, cellular regeneration. This hormone is primarily released during deep sleep early in the night. If bedtime is continually pushed later, the body might miss this important repair window. The body's night repair window is often discussed in functional nutrition. It is a crucial period between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. when the body focuses on deep repair. This is when the brain clears metabolic waste, cells repair damage, the immune system strengthens, and energy systems reset. When this cycle happens consistently, people often notice better energy, clearer thinking, stronger immunity, and improved metabolism. But when someone regularly goes to sleep at 1 or 2 in the morning, their body may miss a large part of that repair process. Bedtime and metabolism. This is where bedtime starts to affect something many people care about: metabolism and weight. Research shows that people with very late sleep schedules often experience higher blood sugar levels, stronger cravings, increased hunger hormones, and slower metabolic function. When the body doesn't receive consistent restorative sleep, it interprets that as stress. When the body senses stress, it tends to store energy rather than burn it. Your gut also has a clock. Your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in your digestive system, also follows a daily rhythm. Irregular sleep and very late nights can disrupt that rhythm, which may affect digestion, nutrient absorption, hunger signals, and inflammation levels. This is one reason functional nutrition often looks at sleep when someone is struggling with digestive issues. Simple steps for better sleep timing. If you want to support your body's natural rhythm, here are a few simple steps that can make a big difference. Try to go to sleep before 11 p.m. whenever possible. Avoid bright screens and blue light 1 hour before bed. Finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bedtime and limit caffeine in the afternoon. And most importantly, try to keep your sleep and wake time consistent throughout the week. In functional nutrition, we often say, your body heals while you sleep. So if you're focusing on healthy food but still struggling with fatigue, inflammation, or metabolic issues, it may be worth asking a simple question tonight. What time are you going to bed?